Karthika Masam, is an auspicious month in the Hindu calendar, typically falling between October and November. It holds a special place in the Hindu tradition due to its association with worship, devotion, and rituals dedicated to various deities, especially Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu. Here are the main highlights of Karthika Masam. 1. Spiritual significance. This month is considered highly sacred, especially for performing rituals, fasting, and other spiritual practices. It's believed that the merits of worship and charity done in this month multiply, bringing blessings and good karma. 2. Daily rituals and worship. Early morning Abhishekam. Devotees perform Abhishekam, ritual bathing, to Shiva lingams with holy water, milk, and other offerings. Lighting lamps. Lighting oil lamps, especially near the Tulsi plant. Every evening is a significant ritual. It symbolizes dispelling darkness and ignorance. Chanting prayers, reciting Shiva stotras, Vishnu Sahasranama, and other hymns is common during this month. 3. Special fasts, Karthika Somavaram Vratam, fasting on Mondays in Karthika. Masam is highly auspicious and dedicated to Lord Shiva. Many devotees observe a strict fast or eat only one meal. Karthika Ekadashi, known as the Deva Diwali, this Ekadashi is one of the most revered fasts for Lord Vishnu devotees. 4. Key festivals and events. Karthika Pournami, the full moon day in Karthika Masam, is celebrated with grand rituals, including lighting thousands of lamps in temples and rivers. It's also the day of the Karthigai Deepam festival, especially popular in Tamil Nadu. Tulsi Viva. The symbolic marriage of the Tulsi plant, sacred basil, with Lord Vishnu, represented by the shalagram stone, is celebrated during this month, usually after Ekadashi. 5. Holy baths. Taking a holy dip in rivers, especially the Ganges, Godavari, or Krishna, is believed to cleanse sins and provide spiritual purity. Some devotees perform daily baths, particularly in the early hours before sunrise, as it is believed to bring peace and prosperity. 6. Charity and dana. Giving donations, food, clothes, and lighting lamps in temples is considered especially meritorious during this month. Annadanam, offering food to the needy, and charity are performed extensively in Karthika Masam. 7. Environmental and spiritual connection. Karthika Masam promotes eco-friendly practices, including lighting earthen lamps with oil, using natural ingredients for rituals, and planting trees. It's a time for cleansing both physical surroundings and inner thoughts, reflecting the emphasis on purity and spiritual growth. Karthika Masam is thus filled with rituals, spirituality, and devotion, aimed at fostering personal growth, divine connection, and community well-being.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.